Hello everyone, today we will do chapter 15 data handling. In this, whenever we are having something in this way and we are having a collection of anything, suppose there is a weight of 25 student of class measured in kg. So whenever we are having the collection of anything, that is called the data. Now array, arranging the numerical figure of a set of data in ascending or descending. Whenever you will arrange anything in ascending order or in descending order is called as an array. Next, range, the difference between the highest and lowest value. Suppose in this data, the lowest value is 25 and the highest value is 36. So the range means difference between the highest and lowest value. 36 minus 25, 11. Frequency distribution, the number of times a particular observation is called its frequency. In this data, 26 is occurring maximum, 26 is occurring 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So its frequency is 3. So the number which occurs maximum, how many number of time, that is its frequency. And this is the frequency distribution table. This is the data. Write the tally marks and here the frequency. Tally marks 1, this is 1, 2, 3, this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and whenever we will write 5, then cut it. Now next thing, mean. In the first exercise, we will do the exercise of mean. What is mean? It is a formula of mean. Mean is equal to, you can write x bar also, sum of observation upon number of observation. To calculate the question of mean, you will apply this formula. And one more formula, if the question is given in the frequency distribution table, mean is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. This is the symbol of sigma, means sum. Sigma means sum. So this is another formula. Now, exercise 15a. Find the mean of each of the following set of numbers. In all these questions, you have to calculate the mean. First, 5 natural numbers. So, mean of first 5 natural number. Write down first 5 natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Write the formula. In all the questions, first of all, write the formula. Then substitute the values. Mean is sum of observation upon number of observation. 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. In all the parts, you have to do same. First 7 whole numbers. 7 whole numbers are 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add all these, then calculate mean. Find 4 prime numbers. 4 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Add it and then calculate the mean. In this question also, there is a data given. What is the mean score? Add all these terms. And they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 observations. So divide by 6. In this question also, you will do same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 observation. Add all the observation, divide by 6. This is your mean. So in all these questions, question number 4, 5, 6, you will do same. Add all the observations and divide by number of observation. Now this 7, if the mean of 16, 14, x, 23, 20 is 18, find the value of x. Write the formula. Mean is sum of observation upon number of observation. Mean is 18. Write all the observations. 16 plus 14 plus x plus 23 plus 20 upon 5. Add all these. This is 73 plus x and 5 will go to this side. Cross multiply. This is 90 is equals to 73 plus x. X is 90 minus 73. That is 17. This is your answer. If the mean of this is 24, find x. So again add all these. The number of observation are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5. First of all, write this formula and then write this. 24 is equal to add all, divide by 5, cross multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5x plus 20. So 120 is 5x plus 20. 20 will go to this side. 5x is 100. X is 100 upon 5, 20. Ninth question. Nisha scored 73, 86, 78, 75 marks in 4 tests. What is the least number of marks she can secure in her next test if she has to have a mean score of 80 marks in 5 tests? So there are 4 observations given. Mean score of 80 given, total observation are 5, so you have to calculate 5th observation. Again, first of all, write the same formula. Then, let the next test she secure marks is equals to x. Mean is 80. So, 73, 86, 78, 75 plus x upon 5. Do the same, cross multiply. 312 plus x. 400 is this. So, x is 400 minus 312. That is 88. This is your answer. 10th. The mean of 6 number is 24. If one number is excluded, the mean of remaining number become 22. Find the excluded number. Here it is the mean of 6 and here it is the mean of 5 number. So calculate the sum of 6 number. This is the formula. Sum of 6 number, mean into number of observation. Mean 24, number of observation 6. This is 144. Again we are having mean of 5 observation, sum of 5 observation. 22 into 5. 110. So excluded number is 144 minus 110. 34 is your answer. Now student question 11, 12, 13, 14 are same and 15 is as same as just like question 9, 10. So 12th question, whenever you have to calculate the mean in this form, when the frequency distribution is given, then how you will calculate mean? See, make the table in this form. First of all write x, f, then fx. Write x, all the values of x, all the value of f. Fx means f multiplied by x. 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 7 6s are 42, 8 3s are 24. Add all these, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3, that is 15. It is sigma f. Add all these, sigma fx, add all these, it is 90. Another formula for mean is sigma fx upon sigma f. 90 upon 15, 6. 6 is your answer. In the next exercise, we will do the median. Median means middle value. So student, if we are having n means number of observation. If number of observation is odd, then middle term. Then median is middle term. Just like example, this is the example. Suppose we are having 5 observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is middle? 3. So answer is 3. The median is 3. If number of observation is even, then median is average of 2 middle terms. Suppose we are having 6 numbers. So middle terms are 3 and 4. These are middle terms. So you will take the average of these 2 numbers. Just like this is example. So median will be 3 plus 4 upon 2. You will take average 7 upon 2, that is 3.5. And if the data is not arranged in ascending order, so first arrange in ascending order. Now come to the exercise. See, first question, it is already arranged in ascending order. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. See, count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means odd. Observation are odd, so middle term is 5. So median is 5. So your answer is 5. See, second. This is your observation. It is already in ascending order. So middle term, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So two middle terms are 16 and 20. Because 3 is here, 3 is here. So 2 middle term are 16, 20. So mean will be, n is even, mean will be average of 2 middle term. So 16 plus 20 upon 2, 36 upon 2, 18. And if n is odd, then see third question. Here the number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. It means n is odd. But in this question it is not arranged in ascending order. So first arrange in ascending order. Number of observation is odd. So number of observation is odd. So median is equals to 51. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fourth one is middle term, median is 51. Here also write median. This is the median. N is even, then median will be average of 2 middle term. If n is odd, then median is middle term. Right? In next exercise, it is mod. What is mod? The mod of a set of number which occurs most frequently in the set. See this example. All numbers are coming only one time, so no mod. Here 1, 2, 3. 17 is coming 3 times. So the mod is 17. The number which occur maximum number of time, that is mod. Here 58 is occurring 3 times and as well as 73 is occurring 3 times. So there are 2 mods, 58 and 73. See the exercise. Here 5 is occurring 1, 2, 3 times. So mod is 5. Here no number is occurring more than 1 time. So no mod. Here 4 is occurring 1, 2, 3 times. And 6, 1, 2, 3. So there are 2 mods, 4 and 6. In this type of question, see the number of person. This is the frequency. This second one is the frequency. Highest frequency is 6. The answer is 3. Highest frequency is 4. So mod is 8. So student, complete your work. This chapter has finished. Okay students. God bless you all. Bye-bye.